Modern drones are very good at telling you their exact location. But did you ever wonder how you could figure out how far away something in the viewfinder was? Well, you can with simple math. Take this example. How far away is that lake from the current drone's position? Could we calculate that exact position? With drones capable of moving their gimbals, the answer is yes. With just a few pieces of information, it's possible to determine the exact location of a distant object observed in your drone's viewfinder. The key is knowing the altitude of your drone, its compass direction or bearing, and most importantly, the angle that the gimbal is at. This will help us use the law of sines to determine the distance from your drone to that object observed in the viewfinder. To use this, record your altitude, determine the attitude or angle of your gimbal, and the compass or bearing of your drone. Plugging those into the application will provide you with an exact GPS location of that distant object. This is an example of the application in use where we're plugging in a few values. They're different than the example we showed you just before. Pressing the calculate button will determine the distance and location of that distant object, and pressing the map button will display that point on a map.